Today I'm going to demo a new functionality in Magntiy for you that's going to allow you to not only make a huge amount of emails in a very short time, but it's going to allow you to personalize each and every one of them. And the way we've fixed this is to build a demo. And I'm going to show you that demo right now. Now, just as normal, we can take any page. In this instance, we've looked at a company called Soho who builds CRM systems and financial and payment systems. In this instance, it's called Soho Books, and they have a blog. This blog has a blog post which is about advanced multi-currency handling, and there's a long article. Now, I would like to expose that to different people in the organization. So I'm going to build two of these and try and compare them. Now, the first one I'm going to build is I'm going to put in my URL, and then I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to try write this for a freelancer. And as you can see here, this freelancer has specific goals and pains, like streamlining accounting processes, gain better insights, and scale business while maintaining financial stability. Whereas the small business owners has streamlined personal and business finance management, automate invoicing and expense tracking processes, and increase financial literacy. So I'm going to be able now to select one of these personas. I'm going to select the freelancer in one, and I am going to select the small business owner in the second. Now, it's made two emails, one for the freelancer and the other for the small business owner. Let's look at it. As you can see, it's taken the logo and the image and also create a related article, which is one of the most popular articles on that particular blog. But for the freelancer, it says that Soho Books has introduced advanced multi-currency handling, a new feature that allows businesses to create transactions in more than one currency for each of their contracts. This feature is available under the lead and ultimate plans, and so forth and so forth. So it starts off by describing what's in the blog post. Advanced multi-currency will benefit businesses by managing payments in various currencies. And it goes on to take a little bit of that. Now, this feature will save time for resources for freelancers and self-employed individuals who deal with inconsistent cash flows and irregular income. By streamlining account processes, they can get better insights into their business finances and make informed decisions while maintaining stability. So it actually personalizes this towards freelancers, and this is the only basic prompt I've done. Now, if we look at the small business owners, it has the same kind of intro where it explains the article so that you can get a feel for what this is about. But then it goes on to say small business owners can benefit from this feature by managing payments in various currencies, recording multi-currency transactions for a contact, and getting a statement summary. Additionally, they can view detailed reports of all associated transactions made for each contact and understand the total expenses. This feature streamlines personal and business finance management, automates invoicing and expense tracking processes. And if we go up here and look at his details, we can see that one of the things he wanted to do was automating invoice and expense tracking processes. So this feature allows us to quickly build emails that are personalized towards a specific persona. And if we feel like it, we can start just working on it and say, I would like to write this differently. So rewrite this using the AIDA model. Return only HTML paragraphs. And see what happens. I can actually do this for both. So I'm writing two emails. And here it's done. Just like this. And we can go in here and delete some of the headlines. And over here, delete some of the headlines. And now you can see that it's actually used the AIDA model to make this email. So one is starting off by talking about the features. The other is talking about what you can do as a small business owner. And what this allows you to do is to build a breadth of personas and personalize each of your marketing emails towards each of the personas without spending more than minutes doing it. I hope that you enjoyed this small demo, and if you have any questions or comments, please reach out to me on LinkedIn or write me, call me, anything you want. I'll be there to help you.